He's a governor. It would be blood on his hands. I felt like I was a good dad, you know. I was sacrificing a lot of my life for him. He knew he was good at football because he saw it as he could think on his feet. He was in 11th grade, already getting recruited from Stanford, and to see him realize that, hey, this is getting ready to happen. My son, his name was Jamiel Shaw. He was murdered by a guy named Veto Espinoza. He was an 18th Street gang member, and he was in this clique of the 18th Street called the Alcé clique, which housed the shooters and the shot callers, the craziest ones in that particular gang. Espinoza had got out of jail. He had met this girl through another gangbanger in the county jail. She was designed to ride him around to kill people. And he went right out there, found a gun. He had a person in the back seat, and he had a girl driving the car. That was just all in one day. He wasn't in jail just for a jaywalk. He was in jail for battery on a peace officer, assault with a deadly weapon, resisting arrest, and then they gave him 8 months. All of that, 8 months in the county jail, then let him out 4 months early. It's bad enough my son was murdered. I mean, just the murder part is bad enough. Then you find out the person who did it was illegal in the country. Then you find out he was in the county jail and when released. It's almost like, how do we protect ourselves? Even if you never heard of nothing else before, except for my son, would you want that to happen to your son, walking home from the mall, shot dead on the same street that you were raised on? How many have to die by people being lit out into the streets from the county jail that should be deported? How many does it take? Is one enough or what, 10, 100? One should be enough. Anybody is murdered by an illegal alien that was in the county jail and didn't even get deported. Governor Brown, that's on your hands, you know. You're in charge of the state. We come to you for leadership. We come for you for protection. This is supposed to be your baby. You know, this is what you ran for because you love this state. Please, Governor Brown, do not sign this bill. Do not put us in danger. No father, mother, no one should have to go through losing a child.